In today's digital world, businesses thrive on data and customer relationships. Behind every successful company is a powerful system, often Salesforce, managing this crucial information. The Salesforce administrator is the unsung hero, ensuring everything runs smoothly, efficiently, and securely. Demand for skilled admins is skyrocketing, making this a launchpad for a rewarding tech career. Embarking on a tech career can feel daunting, but becoming a Salesforce administrator is an accessible entry point. With focused training and hands-on learning, you'll gain practical skills to solve real business challenges. Guru School's expert-led program guides you from day one, preparing you for job readiness and career success. Your journey to becoming a Salesforce admin master starts now. A Salesforce admin is the go-to problem solver, helping users, fixing issues, and making sure teams can do their jobs without interruption. They're not just technical support, they're a strategic business partner, translating needs into real solutions. By spotting inefficiencies and suggesting improvements, they make the whole organization more productive and data-driven. The Salesforce admin is the bridge between technology and people, an indispensable asset to any business. As a Salesforce admin, you're the guardian of data and user experience, managing user accounts, setting permissions, and protecting sensitive information. You create profiles and permission sets, configure sharing rules, and regularly audit access to keep data secure. Beyond security, you design intuitive interfaces and streamline processes, making Salesforce efficient and user-friendly for everyone. A Salesforce administrator is the architect of efficiency, using automation tools to streamline business processes and eliminate repetitive tasks. This automation boosts productivity, freeing employees to focus on high-value work. Admins also create dynamic dashboards, giving leaders real-time insights for smarter decisions. In short, the Salesforce admin is a builder, innovator, and strategic enabler for the business. To master Salesforce, you must first understand its foundation, Customer Relationship Management, or CRM. CRM is more than software. It's a strategy for managing and improving customer relationships, centralizing every interaction and piece of data. Salesforce revolutionized CRM by moving it to the cloud, making it accessible, scalable, and affordable for businesses of all sizes. Its multi-tenant architecture means multiple companies share the same secure infrastructure, benefiting from cost savings and automatic upgrades. The Salesforce ecosystem extends beyond CRM, offering specialized clouds like sales, service, and marketing, each tailored for different business needs. As an admin, your journey starts with a free developer edition org, a safe sandbox to experiment and learn. You'll focus on the modern Lightning experience, which offers a dynamic, component-based interface and is the industry standard. Mastering Lightning is essential for any aspiring Salesforce admin aiming for a future-proof career. With CRM's purpose clear, let's explore how Salesforce structures data. The platform is built on a relational data model. Objects, like tabs, fields, columns, and records, rows. Standard objects like accounts and contacts come ready-made, but admins can create custom objects and fields for unique business needs. Relationships connect these objects, turning isolated data into a powerful web of information. Lookup relationships create flexible links between objects, while master detail relationships form tight bonds. Child records depend on their parent. For example, deleting a master record in a master detail relationship deletes all its detail records. Choosing the right relationship type impacts security, data integrity, and reporting. Understanding these fundamentals is key to effective data modeling. As an admin, you'll use these tools to tailor Salesforce to your organization's needs. Knowing about objects and relationships is one thing. Building them visually is another. Schema Builder is Salesforce's interactive tool for mapping your entire data model. It lets you create, modify, and connect objects and fields in a drag-and-drop interface. This visual approach makes complex data structures easy to understand and plan. For example, you can quickly add a custom field or link objects without leaving the canvas. Schema Builder is invaluable for both initial setup and ongoing changes, helping you spot issues before they arise. In Guru School, you'll use Schema Builder from day one to design real-world business scenarios. Mastering this tool helps you think like a data architect and build scalable solutions. Once your data model is set, it's time to shape the user experience. Page layouts control how fields, buttons, and related lists appear on record pages, tailored for different teams. Record types let you offer unique processes and layouts for different business scenarios, like separate sales stages for hardware and software. The App Manager allows you to create custom apps, grouping relevant tabs and dashboards for specific departments. Lightning Experience introduces dynamic forms, letting you break up record pages into sections and control field visibility based on record data. For example, you can hide a shipping address section until a deal is marked Closed Won. These tools make Salesforce intuitive and efficient, ensuring users see only what they need. Customizing the UI boosts productivity and data quality. As an admin, mastering these features is essential for user adoption and business success. Data quality is the backbone of a powerful CRM. Formula fields automatically calculate values, ensuring consistency, like commission amounts based on deal size. Validation rules prevent users from saving incomplete or incorrect records, enforcing business processes. For example, you can require a contract signed date before marking an opportunity as closed won. Duplicate management tools identify and block or merge duplicate records, keeping your data clean. Roll-up summary fields aggregate data from child records, providing instant metrics like total closed won value on an account. These features empower users with accurate, up-to-date information at a glance. As an admin, you're the gatekeeper of data integrity. Mastering these tools ensures your Salesforce org remains reliable and trustworthy. Automation transforms Salesforce from a database into a productivity powerhouse. Workflow rules trigger actions, like sending emails or updating fields, when records meet certain criteria. For example, a workflow can alert a manager and assign a task when a high-priority case is created. Process Builder takes automation further, handling multiple conditions and actions in a visual interface. It can create or update related records, post a chatter, or launch other automations, all in one process. Automating routine tasks saves time, reduces errors, and enforces business processes. While flow is the future, understanding workflows and Process Builder is crucial for maintaining existing orgs. Mastering automation is a key milestone in your admin journey. Security and access control is the foundation of trust in Salesforce. As an admin, you set up profiles for baseline access and use permission sets for flexibility. Organization-wide defaults keep data secure by default, while role hierarchy and sharing rules open access where needed. Mastering these tools makes you a trusted advisor for your business. At Guru School, launching a tech career means more than just training. Our Salesforce admin program is built on 6 pillars of excellence: IT training, certification, resume prep, vendor and client interview prep, and project support. We guide you from hands-on labs to job search, interview mastery, and ongoing mentorship, so you're ready to excel from day one. At Guru School, you don't just learn theory, you become an active Salesforce admin from day one. You'll work hands-on in your own Salesforce developer org, applying every concept as you go. The journey ends with a real-world capstone project, building a complete Salesforce solution from scratch. You'll graduate with a certificate and a portfolio project that proves your skills to employers. Earning your Salesforce Administrator certification, the ADM 201, is honestly a non-negotiable step in your career launch, and we make it a central focus of our program. Our curriculum is meticulously mapped to the official exam outline, so you can be sure we cover every objective in depth. We don't just teach you the concepts, we teach you how to apply them in the context of the exam questions. Our instructors highlight those tricky areas where candidates often stumble, like the nuances of the security model or the order of execution for automation. This targeted approach means you're studying smarter, not just harder, and focusing your energy where it matters most for passing the exam. To build your test-taking stamina and confidence, our program includes a rigorous regimen of practice. You'll have access to a large bank of mock exam questions that closely mimic the format, style, and difficulty of the real ADM 201 test. Taking these timed practice exams under realistic conditions helps you spot your strengths and weaknesses, letting you focus your final review on the topics you need to improve. Our instructors then lead review sessions to break down the most challenging questions, explaining the logic behind the correct answers and why the other options are incorrect. This deep analysis is crucial for developing the critical thinking skills you'll need to succeed on exam day. Once you're certified, the next hurdle is the job interview. Guru School's preparation goes way beyond technical Q&A. We conduct specialized mock interview sessions that simulate both recruiter screenings and in-depth technical rounds with hiring managers. You'll practice answering common questions like, tell me about a time you used a validation rule to solve a business problem, or how would you decide between using a lookup or a master detail relationship? We provide detailed, personalized feedback on your answers, your communication style, and your ability to articulate your thought process, helping you refine your delivery and present yourself as a polished, confident professional. Our interview prep also includes tackling real-world scenarios and whiteboard challenges. A hiring manager might give you a business problem and ask you to design a solution on the spot. We prepare you for these high-pressure situations by running you through similar exercises. You'll learn how to gather requirements, sketch out a data model, and explain your proposed automation and security strategy in a clear and logical manner. This practical preparation really demystifies the technical interview, turning it from a dreaded test into an opportunity to showcase your problem-solving abilities and prove that you're not just certified, but truly job-ready. The Guru School Salesforce Admin Capstone is a real-world simulation, your chance to turn training into a business-ready solution. You'll build a Salesforce org from scratch, tackling business requirements, security, automation, and analytics, design flows, automate processes, and create dashboards that turn data into insights. Present your solution, showcase your skills, and graduate with confidence, and a portfolio piece for your career. The Capstone project is your launchpad, proof of your skills, and the centerpiece of your interviews. You'll walk hiring managers through real solutions you built, not just theory. Our graduates' success stories show this hands-on approach leads to real jobs and career transformations. We don't just teach Salesforce, we build Salesforce professionals. We've explored the dynamic world of the Salesforce administrator, from their role as a strategic problem solver to their mastery of data, automation, and security. You've seen how the platform works, what the job entails, and the incredible opportunities that await skilled professionals in this high-growth field. The demand for certified admins isn't slowing down, it's actually accelerating as more companies recognize the power of Salesforce to transform their business. This creates a clear and accessible pathway into a rewarding tech career, and you now have the roadmap. The journey from enthusiastic learner to a confident, job-ready Salesforce professional is within your reach, and it starts with a single, decisive step. The path to mastery is not one you have to walk alone. Guru School's Salesforce Admin program is meticulously designed to be your guide and your launchpad. Our 6 pillars of excellence, from hands-on IT training and dedicated certification support to expert resume and interview preparation, provide a complete ecosystem for your success. We don't just give you the knowledge, we give you the practical experience through real-world projects, the credentials that employers respect, and the confidence to ace your interviews and excel in your new role. Our commitment extends beyond graduation with ongoing project support, making sure you have a partner in your career growth long after you've landed your first job. Imagine a future where you're at the center of business innovation, building solutions that empower teams and drive growth. Picture yourself in a role that's not only financially rewarding but also intellectually stimulating, offering continuous learning and career advancement. This is the reality for a Salesforce administrator. Whether you're looking to change careers, upskill in your current position, or break into the tech industry for the first time, this is your moment. The skills you acquire will make you a valuable asset to any organization, opening doors to roles as a consultant, business analyst, or even a solution architect in the thriving Salesforce economy. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. The time to invest in yourself and your future is now. Take the first step on your journey to becoming a Salesforce Admin Master by visiting guruschool.com today. Explore our Salesforce Admin program, learn more about our unique training methodology, and speak with an advisor about how we can help you achieve your career goals. Your transformation from aspiring tech professional to certified Salesforce expert begins here. Enroll with Guru School and get ready to learn, build, and succeed in the exciting world of cloud computing. Your future in tech is waiting.